Hi, welcome to the another session of NGINX. So in this, we are just going to see how we are going to use NGINX as a load balancer. Uh, NGINX can be used in three ways. NGINX can be used as a web server, as well as the reverse proxy, as well as the load balancer. So in here, we're just going to see how the load balancer is going to act and how are you going to configure NGINX for a load balancer. So when I say load balancer, it is a process of distributing a workload evenly from the multiple servers. Suppose if you see there are multiple servers are here and there are multiple clients are here. So when they are requesting a service, so it will give, there will be a response from first one of the server and second server and third server. So it will be a round robin kind of load balancing. It will be taken place. The load is balanced and the load is evenly given to all the servers. So, and what is the second advantage of using this load balancers? So the failover. So when one of the servers goes down and still you are able to cater the request from these two servers. So this is how quickly we're going to show you how we are going to configure it. So I am going to run this in PHP. So let me show you the configuration. Before we go into the configuration, so I have a 3 process running in PHP. So that is S1, S2, S3. So this is the S1 and S2 and S3. When I do a curl, yeah. See, these are all the 3 servers that I have. So the cat, this is just simply a file. It says cat1 is this, cat2 is this, and cat3 is this. So this is what we are getting this. So I'm just running this in port 10,001, 10,002, 10,003. So already I am running this service. So this is a default configuration, and in this, these are all the three configuration that I had made. One is I made that as an upstream, made it a PHP server localhost 1000, 10,001, 10,002, 10,003, and I'm using that. The server is listening to port 8888. Here I have this location for PHP server 1, and just this is that localhost 10,001 is going to run, and for LB I'm just going to run all of this. This is that configuration. So we have seen already that PHP is working fine. So when I do a curl, yeah. So I'm getting the response for the when I do it for this port 8888. Now what we are going to do is we are going to run it in a loop. So this is a command for running it in the loop. So as you see this, when I'm running it in a loop, I'm just giving it for PHP server 1. So there is only one request is running. So that is why it is giving like this. Now when I give it for LP, and I give it for path LP. So right now, if you see, there are 3 servers is running. So server 1, server 2, and server 3 simultaneously. So this is how that load balancer has been configured. So let's go and see that when you turn off one of the server, let's see whether the redundancy is working or not. So I open another instance of the server. So if you see ps-ef, so there are 3 services been running. Now I'm just going to kill one of the servers. So this is already running in round robin, like 1, 2, 3. So now I'm just killing that service. Now you see that one is not there. Now I'm killing that second service also. So here now still I'm able to get the response from the third server. So this is how the redundancy works. So when you host the same page or static page, or whether the web service is running on multiple server, and if one of the servers is gone down, and still you are able to cater that from the other servers. So I'm just giving this service back on. Now the service 2 is up. Now you see the service is back. The second services server is back. And let me do it for 1. Yes. Remember, I am there in that particular file. Yeah. Now this all are running back as it is normal. So this how you see that in the load balancer, when you hit, so it is going in round robin and it is serving the particular service, and the redundancy is also working fine. Okay guys, that's it in this load balancer. So we have configured this load balancer successfully, and we also see how the redundancy has been taken place. Thank you.